Hey guys, I am here doing a final walkthrough for one of my clients, and I just wanted to share this experience that we've had with this house. We had an inspection done not too long ago, and they suggested that we treat for termites because they saw some nests. And they weren't any active termites, but they just saw some previous nests. And so I wanted to share this with you because when real estate, you learn something new every single day. So this is something that I learned along the way, and I didn't know that termites ate drywall. Apparently they eat the paper in the drywall. So I just assumed termites only ate wood or the outsides of houses, but let me show you kind of what I see here. So this is termite damage in the drywall. And you can see it goes all the way up. And these are the nests and the areas that they have left. And you can see it goes all the way down to the bottom here where they came in. So you can see all the damage that they had done previously, but they're no longer there. So interestingly enough, termites eat drywall. So just wanted to share that information because, again, you learn something new in real estate on a daily basis. So hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and talk to you soon.